exposing the controversy in Zimbabwe's political scene. This is a conversation you need to hear. On June 23, 2024, a significant assertion was made by Zanu PF Youth League's Taurai Kondashaya. He claimed that President Emmerson Mnangagwa would extend his term beyond 2028, igniting a fierce debate. Former opposition stalwart and political analyst Eddie Cross argues that Mnangagwa stepping down in 2028 is crucial for advancing democracy in Zimbabwe. Cross believes that economic stability must go hand in hand with political reforms, emphasizing human rights, freedom of speech, and fair electoral processes. However, reports suggest that Zanu PF has devised a strategy to keep Mnangagwa in power beyond 2028. Instead of seeking a complicated third term, the plan involves deharmonizing elections, pushing the presidential election to 2030, making it less complex but equally controversial. While Mnangagwa denies any plans to violate the constitution, the political atmosphere remains charged. Will Mnangagwa respect constitutional term limits, or is Zimbabwe's democracy at a crossroads? Stay tuned as this story unfolds.